Hello, kid. Do you know why notices are put on the notice board? Let me tell you. Well, just imagine you are in your classroom, in your school. Now, suddenly, your principal has to inform a holiday. So, what will she do? Well, either she will put up a notice on the notice board or she will do the announcement through microphone. So, here you saw, over here, the person has to communicate with many people at one time. So, for one-to-many communication, this is a mode of communication. That is the microphone and the loudspeaker. Even you must have seen that the mic and loudspeakers are used in various public places and also in different devotional and marketplaces. So why do you think they are used over there? Because the number of people listening to the message is more. So over here there is a need for one-to-many mode of communication, and for that one of the best way is to use the mic and the loudspeaker. Now, have you ever seen a political meeting being done? You must have seen this scene over there. Well, the politician is giving a speech using a mic, and since there are so many people who have gathered around to hear his speech, the loudspeakers are helping them to listen to it. So, over here as well we saw, for one-to-many mode of communication, they are using mic and the loudspeaker. Now, do you think mic and loudspeaker are the only form of communication for communicating from one person to many people? No, there are some more to it. Well, we have the newspaper. So, newspaper is one of the easiest form of one-to-many communication. Not only that, it is also one of the cheapest form of one-to-many communication. Well, you can easily find newspaper in most of the houses. So, newspaper is a very common mode of one-to-many communication. Well, newspaper has been used since ages. See, over here it's also showing that a person is reading a newspaper. So, newspaper gives us lot of information about our country, about politics, sports, entertainment and many other things. So, newspaper is one of the most common. Now, since the newspaper is read by most of the people, so don't you think it should be affordable as well? Well, that is the reason that the newspaper is the cheapest, one of the most common form of communication. The next form of communication which helps in communicating messages from one person to a large audience is the radio. Well, if you have seen properly, you might notice that your grandfather still now listens to a radio. Maybe there are some singing shows that is going on, or maybe it's the live updates of a cricket match. So, radio is a form of communication which is quite old and it has been used for a very long period of time. So, radio is another form of one-to-many communication. Nowadays, radio has also evolved. Don't you like tuning to your favorite station on FM radio? Of course you do. We love hearing music while we are traveling or while we are sitting at home. So, the FM radio is also a new mode of radio which helps us in getting information. Not only that, it is also a great form of one-to-many communication. Now, what if a cyclone is coming? So, obviously, you want to see it as well as listen to the updates. So, don't you think For that, we need a different mode of communication? Of course, yes. So let's see what is that mode of communication which gives us audio visual effect. So for this, we have a television. This is an old television which is showing as well as telling us about different things. Well, see over here. The audio and visual effect that is given by the television is much more effective compared to just the radio or the newspaper. So whenever there is some great thing going on, for example a football match, we love to view it on the television because we can see the match properly and listen to the updates. Now let me ask you a question. Dash has audio visual effect. Is it option 1 television, or option 2 newspaper, or option 3 radio? Let me tell you. Well, the mode of communication which is used for one person to many people is the television. It gives the audio visual effect, whereas in newspaper we can only read the news, that is we can see the updates, and in radio we can only hear the news, right? So the correct answer will be television. Newspaper and radio will be the wrong options. Now what if the government wants the common people to know something important? What about the election? So for that, the government uses different one-to-many modes of communication, and they are the radio, newspaper and television. So these are the one-to-many modes of communication. So, my dear kid, now you know that what are the different modes of communication that can be used to communicate a message from one person to a large number of people. Let's revise. First, we have the newspaper. It is the easiest, cheapest and the most common form of communication. Then we have the radio. So in newspaper we can read the news. On radio we can hear them. And then we have the television, which gives the audio visual effect. So here we can hear the news as well as see it on the television. And finally, for public places we usually use the loudspeaker. So all these forms of communication help us to communicate from one person to many people. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.